Hey guys, it's Dale Calvert. This video is being made primarily for our I Have Global team members. I've been investigating this mailer, checking it out, and have decided to move forward with it. I think it's going to be a little bit complicated, so I wanted to go ahead and shoot the video as I'm setting this up because I think it'll save us some time down the road if other people want to participate in this mailer as well. Um, Basically, this is a safe list and it's composed of cryptocurrency enthusiasts and people that have paid to be a member of the safe list. So they have some skin in the game. Uh, if you want to go ahead and get logged in and get set up, here is the URL right here. I've set up a small URL for you, dalecalvert.com/crypto mailer. And you can just go there and log in and get your account set up. But I'm going to walk you through this process and we'll take a look at what they have to offer. Again, some of you are familiar, many of you that worked with me in the past know I've been using Safelist for years to build teams, to sell products and services. It's a marketing concept that's part of my routine. It's part of my promotion, whether I'm doing it personally or outsourcing it. Over the years, I've mostly outsourced this process, but Safelist is something that I believe in. And one of the things that I have noticed, if people uh, are paying to be a member, investing to be a member in a particular safe list, it's just better quality prospects because again, people have some skin in the game. But this is not something that I haven't been teaching for years and years. So I joined this as a free member just to try to figure out what's going on. I didn't want to be the only member, and I did that yesterday. And then you can see this morning I had from the crypto mailer, I had multiple messages here, which I'll put them in a file. But I wanted to see how active the list was. So it's obviously active. They obviously have members, and that was the first thing I wanted to figure out. Is this an active list? Are people actually using this safe list? Are there active members that will be reading the messages? And so far, so good. So my thoughts at this point, I think there's two membership levels. We'll look at it here in a minute. If I remember correctly, one was around $20 for a lifetime membership and the other one was around 40. And I'm thinking, okay, $40 lifetime membership, one iHub Global customer/team member will pay for the crypto mailer membership many times over. If it's legit, if they're mailing out, et cetera, and it appears to be that it's all above board from that standpoint. So that's my thought process. Uh, Initial investigation, I'm joining. So again, step one is to go here and set up your account. And then they have two membership levels that we're going to look at here in a second. The silver membership and the gold membership. The silver, you get 10,000 credits and you can mail every 3 days. And then the gold, 20,000 monthly credits and you mail every day. So I guess you can do 20,000 emails a month if you're gold, 10,000 emails a month if you're silver. And again, these are to people that are crypto enthusiasts, they're in the crypto world, and they have paid to either be a silver or a gold member. And it looks like they have some type of referral program here as well, which really I'm not too concerned about. But they do have a referral system. All right. Is that all we needed to cover there? All right. I'm going to actually, at this point, I want to go to this mailer. I have already registered And now what I want to do is I'm going to probably become a Gold member here. I've already joined, so let me log in. I don't want the bronze membership. I want to do the gold. Already joined. Okay, it's 45 and 25. This is a one-time payment. Yeah, I went back and I looked at this, and this is where it will get confusing because you don't pay through PayPal or credit card. You have to pay through, I'm remembering now, you have to pay through a cryptocurrency. So, if I'm remembering correctly, yeah. So they have Litecoin here. I know I have one account that has some Litecoin in it. So, or Bitcoin. I can pay through Litecoin or Bitcoin. I know I have both of these. I don't have any Doge at this point. We've sold that. So it gives different cryptos I can pay for my lifetime membership. So if you do not have a Coinbase account set up, I would do that. If you want to become a member of this, again, you're going to have to pay through a cryptocurrency. You can't pay through Visa or MasterCard or PayPal. So what I would do is set up a Coinbase account. It's a real simple process. There's a video tutorial here. You can go and check that out. This is at CMG Crypto. I'll put the link in the description below this video. But let's just go to the home and we'll see where this is. And right here, how to set up a Coinbase account. So if you go there, this video will walk you through it. It's a pretty simple process, but that's what I would do. I would go through Coinbase, and you're going to need $45 or whatever, or well, how much was it? 45. $45. This is actually saying $37 now. Well, that works. It was $37 or $19. I don't 25 and 45 is what we saw initially, but now they're saying, see, that's 45. And didn't it just say 35? I don't know, I'm confusing myself. Maybe I was seeing things. Anyway, let me get started. Okay. $45. I want to try to pay in Litecoin because I know I have a little bit in one of my Coinbase accounts. I'm almost positive. Litecoin. So I'm going to complete checkout. And again, this is where I've never done this, obviously, so I'm trying to figure this out. Okay. It's going to give me the address to pay. So here it is right here. So I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to go to Coinbase. Here's my Coinbase, and I have some Litecoin. Got $107, I think. Yeah, in Litecoin in this account. So that will cover my 45. So I'm going to pay with Litecoin. So I'm going to send. And I click send. And it's going to want me to do the two-step verification. So I have to go to my phone, type in the code. Send. And I'm going to send Litecoin right here. And I'm sending $45. And I'm sending it to this address that I just copied. I'm going to paste it in there. And I'm going to hit continue. So I'm sending $45. I'm joining the Safelist for crypto buyers. It's going to hit send. Yes, send it now. And then it's going to send me a code again. Okay, it says the transaction will take about 30 minutes. You can see my balance did, it was 107. It's down to 62 or whatever. So it looks like it went through. And now I should be able to go into the Safelist to the back end and start sending messages. I think it said once a day at the gold level. But I will do a part 2 video to cover that. That wasn't as difficult as I thought it might be to become a member. But again, if you've already got a Coinbase account and you've got Bitcoin or Litecoin or any of the other payments, any of the other coins that they made available for payments, then it shouldn't be a big issue at all. Shouldn't be a big issue at all. So I hope that helped. As you can see, I stumbled through that this morning, but I had 15 minutes to get this done. I guess I probably spent maybe 10 of that. And then after everything goes through, I'll come back and do a part 2 video. But not too bad at all. I think this is going to be very valuable. I do. Again, the way I look at it, one new member / customer, it covers my fee. So wanted to share that with you guys. Talk to you soon.